Hi there, welcome to our video on, say goodbye to headaches with lavender oil. If you suffer from headaches, you know how debilitating they can be. But did you know that there are natural remedies that can help to alleviate your pain and discomfort? One of these remedies is lavender oil. Lavender oil is extracted from the flowers of the lavender plant, and it has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and calmness. How lavender oil helps to reduce headaches? Lavender oil contains compounds that are thought to have a relaxing effect on the muscles and nerves, which can help to reduce the pain and discomfort associated with headaches. It is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce swelling and inflammation in the head and neck region. In addition to its pain-relieving effects, lavender oil has a pleasant aroma that can help to improve your mood and promote a sense of well-being. This can be especially helpful if your headache is caused by stress or anxiety. How can you use lavender oil to reduce your headaches? There are a few different methods you can try. 1. Inhalation. One of the easiest ways to use lavender oil for headaches is to inhale it. Simply add a few drops of the oil to a tissue or handkerchief and inhale deeply. You can also add a few drops to a diffuser or vaporizer to fill the air with the soothing scent of lavender. 2. Topical application. You can also apply lavender oil directly to your skin. Mix a few drops of the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and massage it into your temples, forehead, and neck. 3. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils, like lavender, to promote physical and emotional well-being. To use lavender oil for aromatherapy, add a few drops to a diffuser or burn it in an oil burner. 4. Bathwater. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to your bathwater for a relaxing and headache-easing soak. The steam from the bathwater will help to release the essential oils into the air, providing you with a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Lavender oil is generally considered safe, but it is always a good idea to do a patch test before using it on your skin. If you are pregnant or nursing, or if you have sensitive skin, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before using lavender oil. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumb up, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy living.